Yo, what's going on, guys? So I got a little recap here for you today. Traded my 150K account and went 2 for 3 on the day. Finished up the day pretty nicely, up about 2,500 bucks, something like that. We'll go over and look at some of the stats because I want to show you a key takeaway here on my stats for the week. Something that's absolutely crucial, very important. And if you start applying it today to your trading, you're going to start to become a better trader pretty much immediately. Right, so later in the video, I'm going to show you that statistic. It's going to pull it out right from Tradeovate. I'm going to show it to you. But before we do me a quick favor, smash the like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. And also check out the links in the description and comment section below. Remember, on the 12th, the Apex 80% off prop firm evaluation account will go away. The 80% will be gone and you won't have it available. So make sure you take advantage of that down there, as well as I've decided to extend, if you purchase the futures trading course, I will buy you your very first month of a $25,000 evaluation account. Okay, so that's going to be good until Sunday. Sunday that will end. So all you have to do is click the link below, purchase the trading course, the DTC futures trading course, and then just send me an email with your order number just reply to the email you get. Send me know, hey, I bought this. I want my free evaluation account, and we'll go ahead and make that happen. But that will end on Sunday. Now let's go ahead and jump into these charts. So today I went 2 for 3. I took 3 trades. My very first trade was right here, right before the market opened. We had just gotten up here into this 302 zone. You see it right here on the chart. And we rejected, came on back down. Now, I was a little bit overly aggressive in my entry on this, but I did get short. I got short because that was another test of the resistance zone, and we were pulling back away from it. And I thought to myself, look, you know what? The risk to reward parameters here are very good. The chances of the trade working out, I think at best were 60%, maybe 40%, right? Like 60% that'll work, 40% it won't. At best case scenario, I might even be just being a little bit lenient on myself here, because typically another retest of such a big support, such a big resistance zone would turn itself into a breakout and not yet another rejection. But I had to take the trade. The risk reward parameters were sound. So right in here, I went ahead and got short, and I was looking to ride this all the way back down here to 96 for my first take profit. And then I was going to take profits as we sold out going into the open of the US stock market. However, that's not what happened. We started to hold. And then once we broke back up over here, I sold out. Well, I covered my position. So see, short here at 4,300, covered here at 4302.25. I love these little arrows here because it makes it easy for me to do these videos. So then I said to myself, okay, more than likely what's going to happen here is right off the bell, we're going to squeeze and push to 310, to 3010. More than likely 4030, what is it, 4310? That's what we're going to squeeze to. Yeah, 4310. All right, so right here, I went ahead and got long. This is before the open. And look how well we held that zone, exactly as expected. And then we pushed. We talked about this in the Discord, me and Trade Simple. We were talking about it there in the DTC trading floor in the Discord, free Discord link down there in the comment and description section. And then look at my take profits. We squeezed right here at 930. And then bang, I took some off at 750. I took more off at 825, and then bang, I got flat at 90.75, my last piece of that position. And that was the final test zone. I thought to myself, we'll pull back away from 10 and maybe we'll get back down to the 90s before we kind of U-shape and make an explosive move later. All we did was trade sideways and explode to the final target, which was that 20 zone up here. Now, one key takeaway here was that we did pull back again into this 18, 17, 18 area, okay? Now, this was happening at the very same time that the SPY, and I'll show you a chart, was pulling back into the 9 AMA after having itself a 9 AMA VWAP crossover. When I saw that in conjunction with this 18 zone, I said, you know what, I got to get long here, at least smaller size for a scalp, and just continue adding to the day. And that's exactly what I did. I took an entry here, and then I added to my entry right here. Okay, so I took an entry here at 1975, added at 2075, 75. And then I just started taking profits off up here. Really, like I said, it was a scalp I was looking for. Typically what I do is I scalp most of the position on such a setup, and then I hold on to a small piece looking for an extension move. And that's exactly what I did. You can see it clear as day here. Scalp, scalp, scalp. Right here, I actually stopped out my last 2 contracts. And look at my best fill up here at 24. Are you kidding me? Right now, as it stands, the high of day is 25. Can you say top tick? And that's it. That was it, right? Now, let me go ahead and let's jump into the stats. I want to show you the stats because this is very important here. All right, guys. So here we go. These are the stats for today, Friday the 9th, okay? Gross P&L, 2550. Total profits were 4,400 and change. But I did have that loser from right before the bell rang, which is about 1,900 and change here. You see it right here, clear as day. So look, of course, you always want your winners to be bigger than your losers. That's obviously staple. We know that. But what is one thing most traders, new traders that is, struggle with? That's holding on to their losers far longer than holding on to their winners. I want you to take a look here at how today went. Okay, these are my winning trades right here. Longest winning trade time, 11 minutes, 22 seconds. That's pretty short for me. Typically, my trades last a little bit longer than that, but I mean, I guess it can average out in that 10 to 20 minute range. So 11 minutes, 22 seconds, my longest winning trade. My longest losing trade, 9 minutes. I'm not too happy with that. It should be somewhat lower, but nonetheless, it is a smaller time, you know, that I'm holding on to the loser. Now, average winning trade, you know, when it averages out for today, 4 minutes, 56 seconds. So basically 5 minutes. Average losing trade, 9 minutes. Why? Because, well, I only had 1 losing trade on the day. So that's why it's still the same 9 minutes. See, that's the kicker too. You want to try to lose less than you right? Regardless, the main thing I want you to notice here on the day is that, right? 11 minutes holding on to my winner, 9 minutes holding on to my loser. Typically, you'll see something like where a trader, a newer one, will have their winning time frame be like, oh yeah, you know, they held on for 3 minutes, and then they'll come over here to the longest losing time frame, and it's like a freaking hour, you know, when it averages out. That's not good. You don't want that. Now, you could be like, oh, Jesse, that's just today. Oh yeah, great. You're 90% profitable on the day. That's just one day. Well, I just started trading with this Tradeovate thing, so I just have access to all these statistics now. Let me show you what it looks like for the week. Here is on the week, up 7,000 and change, all right? Total profits on the week, 13 and change. Total losses, 5,900. So, you know, the gross, or in this case, it really should be net. I guess it's not accounting, not commissions, the fees, whatever. 7,000 and change, okay? But now let's go ahead and go look at the kicker. Remember how I said my longest trade, 21 minutes so far this week? Look at my profitable rate, 70%. Guys, don't let anybody out there tell you, oh yeah, 90% is, this is amazing. 70%. Anything 60% and up is pretty damn good. Anything 70 and over is typically professional grade. Now, let's go ahead and look at the time frame on the losing trades, okay? So here you go. Profitable trades, longest 21 minutes, average 9 minutes, average losing trade time 2 minutes 23 seconds. 2 minutes. 9 minute average on my win trades, on my winning trades. 2 minutes on my losing trades. That's what you want to see, guys. You need to pay attention to that. Go look at your statistics right now. If you don't have them, then figure it out, right? Go get your statistics, pull all your data from your broker, put it into a journal, and go look at that. You want to always make sure that your average losing trade time is significantly smaller than this. Look, if it's on par, slightly bigger, a little bit underneath, that's fine. As long as your risk to reward parameters are sound, you should be profitable. However, you want to work on that. You want to work on that. You want to make sure that you can get to the point where the average losing trade time is significantly less than your average win time. You want to make sure you're holding on to those winners longer than you are when you're losing. You don't want to hold on to the losers too long, especially when you're trading futures. All right. So there you go, guys. A little bit of my stats on the week. Hope you enjoyed that. I hope you did very well. Looking forward to next week. We got inflation data coming out. We got FOMC meeting coming out. It's going to be insane. Maybe Monday a little bit sluggish or slowish, and then bang, the rest of the week should be started to pop off, especially Wednesday. So I hope you guys are ready for it. Remember to check out those specials in the links in the comment sections and description sections and all the good stuff. I hope to see you next week. Thank you very much for watching. Peace.